please take back doors and
I'm sorry.
can you take me out the back door? Just don't put me in handcuffs, please. Take a while, I don't care. I've been here 2 years, please.
And that's what I need to get very clear because I'm not going to trample over her civil rights because somebody else did.
It was,
So,
it was all just to pay my mom my brother's funeral. He just died.
I understand. But
He just told me that if I write it, I wouldn't go to jail.
understand that regardless of what statements are made, right, that is for you to dispute with a lawyer. As far as we are concerned, you have now committed the act of grand theft. That is a felony. We have no choice. We must make an arrest and we must take you in. They are the entity representing the business and they are requesting that we take law enforcement action against you. That is our position on it, okay? Regardless of whether we think that their investigation went right or wrong. As far as we are concerned, we are going to conduct our investigation in the proper order, okay? What's your Miranda?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only reason I wrote that because he told me I wouldn't go to jail if I wrote that. He was right here with me, sitting, saying that.
So we're not gonna take that or use it.
I know.
So that's just gonna be something that they.
That's for my record.
That'll be for their records and it has nothing to do with us. As far as we are concerned, we will give you the opportunity if you would like to make a statement and we will document it properly. Just a moment here while we sort things out.
Oh, close the door so you can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please take back doors and
I'm sorry.
can you take me out the back door? Just don't put me in handcuffs, please. Take a while, I don't care. I've been here 2 years, please, I don't know.
Yeah, well, just relax for a second. We're not quite there yet.
And are you her supervisor normally? Okay, so she's made the statement to us that she was told that if she provided a statement that you guys would not pursue prosecution as long as you did make that statement to her. Okay. I just need to clarify that.
I'm here because I was trying to save her. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
The other lady is lost prevention.
Yeah.
So she's gonna do her thing.
Yeah.
I was trying to, at least, if she was willing to cooperate.
Yes.
I was assuming that loss prevention was going to take that into consideration and accept, like a deal. You know?
Yeah.
But it looked like she.
Yeah. Unfortunately, okay. Those kind of deals. So because of that, do you have ID so we can just document that we spoke with you and that statement? She's alleging that statement was made, and so as far as we are concerned, we can't accept any of this because it was all done under duress and under a false pretense. She was coerced, essentially. You've made false pretenses that she wouldn't go to jail, and we have nothing to do with that. But as far as we just need to document that this is the allegation that she's making, and that we properly read her Miranda, and we let her know that anything that she states to us after this point, can and will be used against her. So I just need your ID, and that was all.
No, I'm not going to provide my ID. I don't have to. I haven't committed any crime.
You're part of the investigation as the authorized representative and as her supervisor who brought her in here. You are now part of the investigation.
You can raise your tone.
I'm not raising my tone at all, sir. I've only spoken with you.
I'm not afraid, but I'm not going to provide my ID because I know the law.
No problem.
And I'm happy that this is happening because I didn't want that to happen to her.
Okay.
But
On the 16th of August 2023, a Dollar General store manager in Florida was arrested for felony grand theft. Nearly $14,000 stolen from the safe over several months. Before officers arrived, a company supervisor promised the suspect she would not be arrested if she signed a written confession. That promise was legally void and created an immediate admissibility problem. Under Colorado versus Connelly, 479 U.S. 157, 1986, state actor coercion is required for a federal Fifth Amendment violation. However, Florida courts may independently suppress a confession, obtained through a private party's false promise. Under state law voluntariness doctrine, the lead officer recognized this and correctly declined to use the statement. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, officers must advise a suspect of their rights before any custodial interrogation. Miranda was administered correctly here, textbook compliance. The charge under Florida Statutes Section 812-014, grand theft in the third degree, was supported by audit records alone. No confession required.
Also database
That's all.
key is 254. I am showing a couple of things.
I can give you my name.
It's fine. Yeah.
Miguel
And then
Figueroa.
also
Okay.
has a protection order issued against him.
Is there a voice in the camera? Is there a voice in the camera?
No.
It was all him when he said to me right under the camera right here. I was
sure
in jail.
I'm sure he's telling the truth.
So like this officer said, regardless
I know,
of
I get
what
it.
took place, the crime
I
took
know,
place.
I get it.
So we can't get around that.
I know.
So, and a lot of times, you know, people can choose not to prosecute at first and then change their mind.
Can you
That's-
tell me if
You know what I mean?
my glasses are not working today? I can't really see.
Carriage 1, 1411, Union 13.
You need the dates. I put from May, whatever, but I can detail the deposits amount that she admitted to, one by one.
Yeah, if you can do that and just like the time frame, you said April, May.
Yeah, my mom passed in April.
And your brother was
Yeah, my
in
brother-
March, right?
Yeah, my mom. Yeah, my mom died of cancer. My brother died of a heart attack. The 2600 one is on the site. All of them. It was only the 15, the 22, and the 22.
As of this morning, the 2600 is still not in the bank. And that was from,
Yeah,
The
no,
nine.
that one. Yeah, that one
That
was.
was seven.
But yeah, it was should be with the ones that were here yesterday. It's only the last, the 15, the 22, and the 22. Because the 26 is the one that I faxed over.
yeah,
Scan and send. The 2646 is the one I scanned and sent. It was in there.
well, this morning.
And the
she said she-
1700 too. No, they're there. Because it's the one that you had. That one came
I didn't
back.
include that one on that.
Do you have like a photo ID also?
It's outside
He
with
took
my
mine.
phone.
Oh.
Okay. So were you gonna email me this or?
Yeah. How do you want me to?
No, you can just email me the whole spreadsheet. I'll just.
Yeah.
You just put on email. I'll put my email address. Once we get you searched, I can allow you to.
Yeah, she can come there. Yeah.
Yeah. Get the. So. Miss Howie.
Yes.
Need you a couple of. Need you to initial the statement here.
Okay.
Then on this line, you're going to print your name because you want to prosecute on behalf of the business, and then sign. Okay. And this statement basically says that you swear and affirm that your statement is true and correct to the best of your knowledge.
Can I take my debit card out and give it for my daughter? Just give it to the girl that works here. Give it to my daughter.
Name for puppies, canine,
Oh, the girl,
name, except portrait.
Yeah, the black girl.
The girl that's working at
Yeah,
the...
the black girl. The tall one.
Sure.
Jen. 'Cause in case I have to give
Yeah,
in case
take
I need her to get my
whatever
dad.
you want to give to her out.
This one. My license is there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah, that's for her to give to my daughter.
Okay.
Because it's Jen out there.
You want the phone in here? Or
Jen?
you want me to give it to her?
Yeah, if you can call her in here, I just want her to give them to my daughter in case my daughter has to get money.
Yeah. We can give it to her.
It's for Jen, not Carla.
Jan.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
know what
only acknowledge the $1,500 and the other 22 and 22. That's it. It's not those other ones. It's just the last ones and the
Yeah.
and the 222s.
So yeah, well, like this one and the 222s.
Yeah, it's the 22 and 22.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. The other ones I dropped them off there.
Okay. Well, the amounts that the charges go is anything over 5,000, between 5 and 20,000. Like the same charge. So whether it's 6,000 or 10,000,
Right.
it'll be like the same bond.
And it's not going to be how much cash will she need?
Special Operator 108 Garrison Drive, traffic moving of Phoenix, Connelly. Reference hasn't heard from single 43, I don't know where they are.
I haven't done a second degree misdemeanor in a while. First one is like 3. I'll stay between 5,000 and 6,000. Not 100% sure.
Like $500 cash then?
Yeah, like if you do like 10% bond.
Right. Can I call my daughter, please? Because nobody knows anything. She's going to be the one that's getting me out.
Hello?
Hey, Tori. Can you hear me?
Are you okay?
No, what jail?
What's wrong?
Don't worry and don't tell nobody, but I gave Jen my debit card at work, so you can show her, call her on Facebook.
What?
They're taking me to jail, so if you could bail me out.
Why are they taking you to jail?
Because of deposits. But, I mean, I didn't go yet, so I don't know how long it's going to be, but what does she have to do? Hey,
What
Kyrie,
deposits? What are you talking about?
at work. I'll tell you later, but what does she have to do? The police officer's right here, you're on speakerphone. Hey, Kyrie.
When they're ready to,
Sorry, my grandson.
when they're ready to
Alright, puppy, hold on.
Hey, Kyrie.
bond you out, they will allow you to make a phone call.
Jen at work. Okay. They said when you come bomb me out later on tonight, I don't know how it's gonna be. I guess you just have to look online.
Are you stealing money, bro? Can't rip back 1411. Call advised that the homeowner should be the mother's mother.
Oh, my grandson loves me. Sorry. Kyrie, it's okay. I'm right here. Hey, Kai. Hey. Hey, so how does she look it up?
No, you or someone will call her when you're ready to go, and
Alright. I'll call you when I'm ready to go. It could be a couple hours. I'll explain to you later. This is embarrassing enough. So, Tori, for my one card that Jen has, the AMSCOT one, the $900 one, you have to go to Wells Fargo, and you can only take out $300 at a time. So you have to do 3 transactions for $300.
Alright.
So,
I don't know if I can take off today. I'm gonna get in trouble with work.
yeah, don't tell nobody else.
I'm not. If you needed help, why didn't you
I know.
ask me?
Alright, I have to go to
instead
the
of
police
doing
right
that?
here.
Hello?
I know. Alright, I'll call you, what, you think a couple hours?
could be
Maybe a couple
slightly
hours.
more than that.
More
It's
than
not,
that.
That's up to, I don't know what their process is.
They have you in front of the store? Like, they won't put you in the office or anything?
They're waiting for the lady to come. I asked him to take me out the side door, but I don't know. He said he's not gonna put me in handcuffs. Yeah. But Jen at work, Tori, you're friends with Jen on Facebook, right? So you can call her. Jennifer.
How long is she gonna be there for?
She works till 2:30. Please don't tell Alan or nobody else yet.
Well,
I'll tell her myself.
Jesus, if you needed help with
Yeah.
something, you should have told me.
Alright.
I would have helped you.
Yeah,
You could have came and lived with me. I already told you that stuff.
I know. Alright.
And okay, be mad all you want. Like, this isn't a game. This is gonna be on your freaking record. You know how hard it is to
I know. And Miguel told me that he wasn't gonna get arrested. Alright, I'm letting go because he's letting me use the phone I'm not supposed to. Alright, don't tell nobody, please.
I won't.
Love you. Bye.
Hey, it's Ivan. They have somebody coming?
Officers receive a B+. Miranda compliant. Coerced confession properly set aside. Search conducted by a female deputy consistent with best practice. 1 deduction. Framing the ID request to the supervisor as legally obligatory. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U. S. 1, 1968, identification can only be compelled following a lawful detention. based on reasonable suspicion, which did not exist here. The suspect receives a B-. Cooperative throughout, did not resist. Critical error, providing a written confession to her employer before consulting an attorney. Under the Fifth Amendment, no private party has authority to offer prosecutorial immunity. That promise was legally unenforceable. Management receives a D. Offering non-prosecution in exchange for a confession is exclusively within the authority of the state attorney's office, not loss prevention, not a store supervisor. That promise was void, tainted the investigation, and exposed the company to civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. 3 lessons. 1. Under Illinois v. Gates 462 U.S. 213, 1983, probable cause requires only the totality of circumstances. Documentary evidence alone is sufficient. Never rely on a confession as the primary basis for charging. 2. Any suspect facing employer pressure should immediately invoke the Sixth Amendment right to counsel before speaking to anyone. 3. Loss prevention has zero authority to negotiate immunity. The suspect was charged with felony grand theft and sentenced to 5 years of probation, a permanent felony record with consequences extending well beyond the courtroom. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.
Thank you.
If you do, just send her to the office. We'll do the search here and then. Alright, thanks. Yeah, we'll just wait for it to get here.
Stanford back. Please
Do
go to
is
a red Chevy.
walk out, go on
So
the
the
other
show
side of my
McDaniel
car. I'll
out of-
handcuff you there real quick.
It's over there.
Carabelle?
Car's right out here, but I'm parked like
Back
facing
on
that
it.
way, so I'll be
Okay.
facing away from the store.
So did my boss tell them that he said I wouldn't get arrested?
Thank you. I know, there's a deputy coming in. If you go, make sure they might not be familiar with the store like we are. I'm sorry?
She says to search me.
Yeah, they,
Stanford Prairie call, zone 12, still $42, General 1113, West First Street, 1113, West First Street, I just call it Alpha.
You want to go back to
hello. Hi, come on in. It's right here.
Hi, we're waiting for further 43.
Do you want to go outside and do it, or you will do it in here?
Yeah, let's do it in here.
Okay. One minute.
leave the door open? I don't have to get dressed, do I?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just put your, stand up, face up.
Stanford back to 32 Blackmail subjects.
I'm
One
gonna pull
last
your
thing
bra
wearing
out.
all red
This one
clothing
out.
on foot,
This
and
one.
one last thing wearing all black clothing.
This is the
What?
thing of my bra.
Pull your backpack, and
water.
tell the bicycle. That one.
2-4-51 of the priorities from this morning.
Chancellor.
Okay, Kiki, come at this sheet.
This is who?
Let me see. Go,